Alright, morning everyone. Welcome back to another video. It is second season here in Iowa. I'm going to be going out with Zach this morning. We've been hunting the past couple days with Laura and Zach, and it's just kind of been kind of a rough go. The weather, it was super warm for like a week, and then kind of when the weekend hit here, it cooled down quite a bit. So it's just kind of throwing things off a little bit, I think, with the birds. So we're pretty much going in blind this morning, hoping we can hear birds off the roost. I'm guessing we still will, but you know, there's always that chance with the wind being so high and it being, I mean, it's 35 degrees right now and 30-mile-an-hour wind or 20-mile-an-hour winds. So we'll see what these birds do. Hopefully we can get close to them. We'll see if we can get her done this morning. Make sure you guys go like and subscribe. We'll catch you out there. Big whack. Zach, you think they're on the ground? I think so. What? I think so, yeah. So whenever you can get a clear shot, if he comes all the way to the go, baby.
Zach, let's go. Let's go. Oh, hell of a
patience.
dude.
Cold day, we got it done.
Oh, dude.
Let's go, dude. Oh my gosh.
About freaking time they come.
Dude, that was insane. Dude, that was awesome. Oh, yes. What do you think that was? That's like 10 yards.
Oh.
15 maybe.
Yeah,
I'd say 10 yards. We were sitting right there.
Right there. Dude, I had my BB right on his head.
Yeah. I was like, dude, he's coming all the way to the decoy.
Yeah.
As soon as he saw that fan. Heck yes, dude. Let's go.
That's a double beard, ain't it?
Dude, what?
Double beard.
No, oh. Hold on, let me see. Make sure you didn't shoot it.
I don't think I did.
It might have broke.
It might have. Actually, yeah, it might have.
Yeah, it did. That's alright though. That's still cool.
Yeah.
He missing a feather?
Yeah. That was like that before.
Yeah. Dude, what a freaking stud. So I think Zach, when he shot, he might have shot his beard a little bit. Obviously, he was aiming for his head, but you can kind of see it split up in here, I think. So not really a true double beard. I think it was just because it looked fine coming in. I think he might have just grazed that beard a little bit, but second bird of the season. Good way to.
Heck of hunts.
That was. We're shivering. We're freezing. We're like this whole morning we were like, you know, it's gonna be cold. These birds weren't gobbling. I mean, we out-hooted up there, and you know, we were actually about to move, and Zach's like, yeah, we should probably just stay patient for a bit, which, you know, he was right. But eventually these birds came from way back here. They came from this little ridge right here. They were on the back side of this, and they came down and they walked on top here, and then eventually he got to about right in here. He had a hen with him, and that gobbler came all the way down as soon as he saw the fan on this Jake decoy. So awesome hunt. Cold hunt. At least we got her done. Zach's not gonna eat tag soup, so on to fourth season for Zach. But let's go. That was awesome, man. Shout out to Zach for repping the brand. Yes, sir. First kill in the hat. Let's go. Yeah, put it right there. Shoo! Well, what do you say we start hiking on out of here?
Let's get something more warm.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are back here. Zach decided to drive the old, what is this even? Acura?
Yeah, Acura.
The old Acura out in the cornfield. Shorter walk with the bird, so we're gonna get this bird tagged up quick, and then we'll be heading out of here. There we go, all tagged up. We're legal.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Now?
Heck yeah. Now we're gonna go eat some chow, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm hungry.
Alright, well. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for liking, subscribing, checking us out. Good job, Zach. Got one down. Second bird of the season. We got a lot to come, so should be fun, but thank you guys for watching. We will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yay!